It's that time of year again, friends, to change Gaston's DeLUXE cat crapper.
I've made several videos of this setup,
including one where Elliot is passing the camera through Gaston's access panel to Juliette on the other side of the door, where I'm sitting over there and badly lip syncing to a recording of my bluesy serenading of my cat's litter box. This self-contained pee and poop ecosystem with the integrated ventilation works beautifully, and it pretty much eradicates that smell. The box is a fairly standard 102-liter plastic storage box with latching cover. It swings behind the door of my workshop, and Gaston enters through his very own VIP entrance. A 4-inch inline booster duct fan has been running non-stop for something like 6 years, 7 years.
Heaven help us, should it ever falter.
As wonderful as this whole system appears, it still needs a bit of maintenance. For instance, how many times a year does one weed out those cat turds from the kitty litter? Once a year? Twice? Less? Probably less. That's something I'm still working on. But now this box really needs to be changed. In the past, I've emptied it out completely and tried stripping out that strong cat pee smell. I've tried pressure washing, some mild cleaners and soaps. Nothing really works. It reduces the smell a bit, but it's sort of cumulative. That smell really sinks into the plastic. Then the box really needs to be replaced with a new one. That's what we're doing. This means cutting a new entrance and installing the vent on the box's cover. I just need to trace 2 openings. Oh, yuck. I found that cutting this type of plastic is best done with a fine-toothed blade. And if you're using a jigsaw with orbital settings which add a forward and back rotation along with up and down instead of just up and down, turn off the orbital function because it stresses and cracks the plastic. Screw this onto the lid. And fill the box with new litter. When I clean out Gaston's litter, I flip the cover aside so that the vent keeps pulling out whatever smelly dust my digging around kicks up. That's it. Bye.
In his DeLUXE cat crapper.